the baby sparrows. Children, you know that you will see colorful video, colorful pictures of Nina, her mother and baby sparrows. Okay, you will love this story, you will enjoy this story, and then after I will ask you what you have learned from this story. Okay, so let's get started. Let's learn the colorful video of Nina and the baby sparrows.
Now let's learn this chapter with colorful pictures. Okay children, so let's start the chapter. Nina and the baby sparrows. You can see in this picture Nina and her mother and nest. Okay, so in the nest who are there? Yes, baby sparrows. You can see two baby sparrows in the nest. Yes, so now let's start the story. Children, you all will read also after me, so you will also get the reading practice. Okay children, now let's get started. There was great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother and little brother were all going Delhi for a wedding. Children, in this story you can see these all are in joy, means they all are happy in Nina's house. Why these all people are happy? Because Nina's aunt was getting married. They are planning to go to attend the marriage of Nina's aunt. So who are going? Nina, her father, her mother and her little brother. They all are planning to go where? At Delhi, right? At Delhi they are planning to go for Nina's aunt wedding. Wedding means marriage. Okay, that's why they all are happy, because they all wants to attend the marriage of the Nina's aunt. Who is not happy? You can see in this picture. Yes, Nina. Except Nina, all were very happy. Only Nina was not happy. Why Nina was not happy? You can see she is crying. Am I right? You can see children, Nina is crying. Yes, but let's find why Nina is crying. Okay. For shopping, see, her mother is taking her in the market. Her mother took her to market to buy a new dress. Why her mother took her in the market? For the new dress, to buy a new dress. For what? Yes, for wedding, because they are planning to go Delhi for wedding. So definitely if we are going, we are also going to the marriage, so we are wearing new dresses and all, new sari, new shirt pant. So like that way Nina and her mother went to the market to buy a new dress for Nina. What color would you like? Mother asked. Now mother is asking to Nina. Nina, what color would you like for dress? Which color do your dress you want your dress? Okay, which color dress you want? So she is asking like that way. I don't want a new dress, mother, said Nina. Nina is telling that she don't want to buy a new dress. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? Now mother is asking for shoes because Sheena refused. Nina told that she don't want a new dress. So now mother is asking for white shoes. Again Nina is telling, I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. Nina don't want shoes also. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. Nina's mother was upset means she was unhappy because Nina was crying and she don't want to buy a new dress, a white shoes. She don't want to buy. So mother is upset and mother is not asking anything now. They went back home and had lunch. Without buying anything, without doing any shopping, they both came back, okay, at home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. What is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything? Now, after lunch, mother came and sat with Nina. Okay, she sat near Nina and she is asking that what is it, child? Why you don't want anything? Why did you say no to everything? Why you did not shopping anything? What is your problem? What is the matter? What is the reason? Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. Now Nina is telling mother the main reason was that Nina don't want to go to the wedding. Whose wedding was there? Yes, Nina's aunt. Okay, but Nina don't want to go to the wedding. Now she is telling to her mother. You can see children, still she is crying. But why? Now her mother is asking why. Why you don't want to attend the marriage of your aunt? What is the reason? Why you are not coming with us? Why you don't want to come with us? Nina said nothing. Means Nina is telling nothing. Nina don't want to tell anything. Instead, two big tears rolled down her cheeks. She is not speaking anything. Instead of that, she was crying. Two big tears rolled down her cheeks. You can see on her cheeks two big tears. Tear means a liquid drop from the eyes. Okay, see, she is crying with the tears. Liquid is coming from her eyes. So that is called tears. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? Now mother is putting her arms around Nina and asking that don't cry, asking why are you crying? Please don't cry, my pet. I don't like if you are crying. Of course, if you are crying, so your mother like? No, definitely your mother will ask you that why you are crying. Tell me the reason. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? What is torturing you? What is your problem? More tears roll down Nina's cheeks. Again and again, Nina is crying and more tears are coming from her eyes. Now she is telling to her mother, see, mother, she said, there's a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room. And there are two baby sparrows in the nest. Now she is telling the correct reason to her mother. That mother, in my room there is a bookshelf. And on that bookshelf there is a sparrow's nest. Means in that nest there are two baby sparrows. Means small babies of sparrows. You can see children, two small babies of sparrows. Yes. I see, said mother. Now mother is listening that what Nina is telling, why Nina is crying, what is the reason, why she don't want to attend the marriage, why she don't want to come with them. Now she understood. They are just beginning to get their feathers, and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry, chip chip, asking for food. What is the sound of sparrows? Chip chip. Okay, so Nina is telling to her mother that they are just beginning to get their feathers. Still they can't fly. They are too small. And right now they are growing up. If they are very small, and if they were hungry, how they will eat their food? To whom they will ask for food? If we go, the whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? Now Nina is telling to her mother that if we all were go, so what will happen? Our whole place, means whole house, will be locked. So how Papa Sparrow and Mama Sparrow will come inside, and how they will feed their babies? Their baby will be hungry. So how they can come inside? If our door will be locked, our house will be locked. So how they can come inside? Oh, Nina, cried mother, giving her a big hug. Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's no problem at all. We'll leave the window open. Now mother is giving her very big hug and telling that now don't cry, don't worry dear. We will do one thing. Why you are crying? Okay, why you don't want to go to the wedding? We will do one solution. There is no problem. Okay, what solution mother is giving to Nina? We will leave the window open. Means when they will leave the place, when they will go for wedding to Delhi, so on that time they will leave the window open. Means they will lock the door, but they will keep their window open. So from that window, Papa Sparrow and Mama Sparrow can come inside. Oh, can we? Mother, can we? Really? Now Nina is feeling little bit better. Oh, Mama, is it possible? Really it is possible? Yes. We will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside. So the house will be perfectly safe. And Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely too. Now the mother is telling, yes, we will, first of all, we will remove all the things from your room. And then we will lock the door from the outside. Okay, so birds cannot spoil Nina's things. So that's why first of all they will remove all the three things from the room and they will lock the door from the outside. So the house will be perfectly safe because they can't open the door, right? So they can't take risk to open the door. So they will lock the door and they will keep the windows open. And then Papa Sparrow and Mama Sparrow can come and go easily, freely, right? And they can feed their babies. They can come out, they can come in and they can go out from the window and then they can feed their babies. Just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? Now mother is telling that when you will enjoy the wedding, on that time the baby sparrow will be nice. They will become fat and healthy. And when you will see them, you will be happy. They will be safe in their nest. So don't worry. we will enjoy our wedding and baby sparrows will getting fat. It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. And wasn't Nina thrilled? Now, at last, what happened, children? The idea was very good. They opened the window. You can see in this picture, right side. Okay, the windows are open. And when Nina came back from the wedding, so seeing? She's seeing that those small baby sparrows become plump. Plump means healthy, fat, little bit large. Okay, so she's seeing that the baby sparrows become plump and they were flying all over the room. You can see, children, now the baby sparrows can fly. Okay, so now they become big and now they have become also healthy also. And when the Nina is seeing them, so she become thrilled. Thrilled means a little bit upset and happy also. She is in shock because when she went away for wedding, so they both baby sparrows were very small. And now she can see that now baby sparrows become big, plump, and they are flying all over the room. So she was happy and little bit shocked too, right? So what is the moral of the story? You should love the birds and animals. You should take care of the birds and animals. Children, you like this story? Okay, so you have to revise once again and you can see the colorful picture. So you will love this video. Okay, children?
Enjoyed video? I know. I was damn sure that you will enjoy the colorful video. You understood the story? Okay. How Nina helped to baby sparrows, right? She was worried about baby sparrows, right? And then her mother solved that problem very easy way, right? So at last, now let's learn some new words. Okay. You have to repeat these words after me. Okay, then you will familiar with these words. Okay, so let's get started this words revision. These all are hard words of this chapter. So after me, you have to repeat these all words with proper pronunciation. The first one is U-P-S-E-T, upset. Speak again. U-P-S-E-T, upset. W-E-D-D-I-N-G, wedding. W-E-D-D-I-N-G, wedding. I-N-S-T-E-A-D, instead. I-N-S-T-E-A-D, instead. T-E-A-R-S, tears. T-E-A-R-S, tears. B-O-T-H-E-R-I-N-G, bothering. B-O-T